Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, confirm the game build and platform so you know which server lists and notices apply. Once done, enable developer or console mode and the map overlay to reveal coordinate readouts. This speeds locating hosts. Make sure to gather essential tools: the in-game map, compass, precise coordinates, and a fast transport method. These steps set you up to search efficiently and avoid wasted time exploring blind. You now execute a systematic sweep across the aisle using a grid method. Start with parallel lanes spaced about 100 to 200 meters apart so you cover every sector. This ensures no server cluster is missed. While moving, monitor server hints like sudden player count changes, lag spikes, or host origin sounds. These reveal active servers. Once you detect a lead, circle and mark surrounding landmarks and likely spawn zones on your map. This disciplined pattern narrows targets fast and reduces redundant searching. You finish by validating each candidate server and handling problems. Reconnect to confirm stability, check latency readings, and verify that players persist over several minutes. This tells you the host is reliable. Once confirmed, set precise waypoints and record host active times to prioritize future visits. If you hit nothing or see ghost signals, troubleshoot. Clear cache, relog, restart networking, and wait 5 to 10 minutes before repeating the grid sweep. That one troubleshooting loop usually resolves
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.